All right, you guys know that all coffees are not equal, meaning that some coffees are actually harming people. So you got to find, I'm doing my research on coffees that are legit. They got something called death coffee. Anything that got the word death on it, I want no parts of it. Just like they have energy drinks with the skull on it. Who in the hell would trust their, you know what? Come on, y'all, I'm about to make my cold coffee, y'all. So let me get this washed out. Let's go. All right. You know what I realized? I get attached to stuff, y'all. I don't know. I done had this coffee cup from Pilot, and I actually got it for free. Ain't that something? But I love my coffee cup. I do. Can't lie to you. So come on, let's go. So of course you gotta have your ice. I fill my ice up halfway. I know when I go to the Pilot, I fill it all the way up because I use hot coffee when I'm with them. So let's fill this up. So there we go. A little bit past halfway. All right, guys. It's only 3 ingredients. Good old-fashioned whipped cream. Yeah, baby. Yeah, let's go. And got the good old-fashioned coffee and the vanilla creamer, baby. Like I tell you guys, when you use this French vanilla cream, you do not need sugar. Sugar bad for you anyway, and this might be bad for you too. I gotta do my research on this, but I mean, it got 30 calories, total fat 1 gram, saturated fat 0, trans fat 0, polysaturated fat 0, monosaturated 0.5, cholesterol is 0, sodium 0. This seems pretty good, shit, health-wise. What are the ingredients? The ingredients is water, sugar, vegetable oil, sunflower oil, canola oil, less than 2% of natural and artificial flavors. I don't know. This seemed like this ain't, like anything bad. But I got my cold coffee. Cold brew coffee, already brewed. What's in this? Pretty good on the nutritional label. What are the, let's see, coffee, filtered, watered coffee, natural flavors. So this is a good brand. And I actually got this from Aldi's. So the way I make mine, you can make yours how you want to make yours. But the way I like mine, you got to take the little thing off. Basically, I'll pour it halfway. So, yeah. Pour that halfway. And then, of course, you fill the rest with the milk. I still got to fill it up with some more creamer and leave some room for the whipped cream. You take whatever you use and you stir. See, I got this is the big ice from my refrigerator, but stir everything. You know what I'm saying? I know when I bought, you gotta be careful buying these. You gotta check the top, cause I bought one and this part was messed up, and by the time I was all over the road, so I couldn't take it back. But check this, cause this costs a good like $4 or $5. So of course, shake it up so you get some good whipped cream. Shake it up, shake like this. How the Mexicans just like, let me stop. But come on, y'all, let's put some whipped cream on that baby. Come on. All right. Yay, sir. Yay, sir. And if you got a bay, you can eat your bay up with this. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all. Okay, yeah. This is just on coffee, my bad. But voila. Good old-fashioned Pilot cup with my good old-fashioned healthy, shawty. I had a straw, but I guess I gotta get another long straw because it sucks trying to drink this without a straw. But yep, just how I like it. You guys have a great day.